Okay. Hello, this is Paul from EMD Automotive at Carrying Bar. Just want to show what we've done today. This car came in Porsche Boxster 986. The coolant leak underneath the car was pretty bad. Like it's just constantly coming out. So what we've done is we took the water pump today and we've replaced the water pump. The light there. Just replace the water pump. So to do the water pump, you've got to take all the covers off here, take the roof part off, put the roof back here. Then you put the roof on the service position so you can take the cover at the front. So you come down here. There's the water pump there. You got to take the belt off. We took the belt off. The belt needs to be replaced and the engine mount needs to be replaced as well. But we just done the water pump for now. Alright, so we're going to go up and shove them underneath. Alright, let's come underneath the car. That's a brand new water pump there. That's a brand new water pump. So before it was just leaking from there all the time down. So now it's full of coolant now. We ran the car so it's nice and hot. So tomorrow we're going to double check the level. There's no more leak. But the engine mount is here. See that rubber there? See that rubber there? That's the rubber there. See how the rubber is cracked? That's the engine mount is cracked. So later on, probably in the future, that needs to be done. But the main thing, we've done the water pumps, no more leak anymore. So the old one is just here. Alright, that's the old water pump. It was just leaking from there straight out, non-stop, just pouring down. Alright, so we're just finishing the water pump. And then tomorrow we'll double check the level and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.